So, hello English learners. Today we are going to read one news and then we are going to know the meaning of that word. Whatever the word we are going to learn in that entire news, we are going to know the meaning. Okay, and the verbs or adjective or noun, but whatever is this, we are going to know everything. Okay, so first open your Google News or anything like now I open Microsoft browser. So I'm going to open just one news and we are going to read that news aloud. Okay, read aloud, and then we are going to just know the meaning. Whatever the meaning, we are going to just see, like there is a one word which is difficult for me, so I'm going to search the meaning of that word, then I'm going to put that word on my note. Okay, so you can create one Excel file or anything. Okay, it is okay. So we are going to find out the word first news. After Neha Singh's India AI Summit controversy, Ananya Pandey dragged. Okay, so this is the news, and best AI writing assistant 2024. We are not going to read. Rajpal Yadav gets emotional, says he won't be able to repay. Okay, an Indian origin Pune man shares 4 work habits that got him promoted. Okay, so let's read this news, and I think this is the news related to the workplace. So, should I read this? Okay, yes, I have to read this news. So, the heading, like Pune man shares 4 work habits that got him promoted, divides internet. Okay, so this is the heading of that news, like Pune man shares 4 work habit. एक पुणे का आदमी है जिसने 4 वर्क हैबिट शेयर किए दैट गॉट हिम प्रोमोटेड, जिसने उसको प्रमोट किया, एंड डिवाइड्स इंटरनेट. ओके, डिवाइड्स इंटरनेट, इंटरनेट ने उसको डिवाइड किया, शेयर किया. डिवाइड, सो डिवाइड मीन्स बांटना. ठीक है, let's see the divide. You can see the divide means split, cut up, cleave. So split मतलब बांट दिया. हाँ, डिवाइड्स इंटरनेट, इंटरनेट ने उसको डिवाइड किया. ठीक है, वर्क हैबिट्स दैट एक्चुअली गॉट मी प्रोमोटेड. कुछ वर्क हैबिट हैं जो एक्चुअली में उसको प्रमोट किए. ठीक है, वर्क हैबिट दैट एक्चुअली गॉट मी प्रोमोटेड. लेट्स सी. पुणे में शेयर्स 4 वर्क हैबिट दैट गॉट हिम प्रोमोटेड, डिवाइड्स इंटरनेट. A Pune based man divided the internet after sharing 4 work habits he said helped him get promoted. In a post titled "Work Habits That Actually Got Me Promoted," Rohit Yadav spoke about a time when, despite putting in consistent efforts, his career was not moving forward. A few years ago, I felt stuck, he said, adding, I was working hard, but it was not translating into growth. That's when I realized doing good work isn't enough. Doing good work isn't enough. You need to be strategic about how you show it. In his post, he outlined 4 specific habits he began building gradually. While he acknowledged that the changes didn't happen overnight. Okay, yes, he said they eventually transformed how people at work perceived him. Okay, the first habit was weekly wins. Every Friday, Yadav would note down 3 things he had accomplished that week. However small, this gave me clarity and helped me speak about my work confidently during reviews. He explained. Weekly wins, okay, and monthly manager update. Next was monthly manager updates. Once a month, he sent a brief message to his manager explaining what he had worked on, the outcomes he contributed to, and lessons learned. No extra words, just outcomes, and it made me visible without bragging. And the third habit involved asking the right question during one on one meeting. What do I need to improve to be seen as ready for the next level? According to Yodo, he's opened the door to honest feedback and shifted how he was viewed. And finally, he made a point to speak up in meetings, even if it was just a brief input. It builds my presence. It showed initiatives silent contributors are easily forgotten. I didn't want to be one of them. Okay, so four habits he shared on LinkedIn, I think. Okay, yes, on LinkedIn he shared four posts, and so we learn like four things. What are the four things? Weekly wins. First is weekly wins, and second is monthly manager updates, and the third, which is asking the right questions during one-on-one meeting, and speak up in meeting. You have to speak up in meeting, because most of the people are not speaking in the meeting because they feel shy, or they don't feel they feel awkward. Like if we are going to speak, we feel awkward, so they are not going to speak. Okay, so these are the 4 points which is so important, which we have to also follow in our workplace services. Okay, so weekly wins, monthly manager updates, asking the questions, asking the right questions during one-on-one meeting, and speak up in meetings. Okay, so just follow these four things, and yes, we are going to just I think I read the news, but we understand everything in this news. Okay, you don't have to just go and search any meaning. Like one or two meanings may be there, but we understand everything. So just we have to make the habits to read every day. Okay, so thanks for today. We are going to meet tomorrow. Thank you.